Okay, this is day 3, and it looks like the hot water has been installed on the following pipes. So go to the left, there's hot water, and you can see in the bottom there's a temperature. As the water continues to increase in temperature, down here we can set that, of course. So that faucet is in, and finally there is another installation inside here. Hot water is also in here as well. Those are these performance calentadoras. I brought these down from the US. So that's been installed as well to both faucets here. There's a T intersection here. Something that has to happen is that we have to change the shower because the shower is not draining properly. It looks like the style that I'm pointing at in the center of the screen is a little higher than the drain, and so we're getting some like extra water that's showing or running out. So that has to be fixed. And also we have to determine how far out we want this shower head to be. And of course we have to move that wiring back in. So once we decide exactly what the height is and everything, we'll readjust that shower head so that it's appropriate. The doors are getting their handles finally brought down. Now these handles came in the barrel that was stuck in customs all those weeks. So we're putting the locks on in the individual doors. For example, well actually, yeah, there's a door missing here, of course, but there's these individual locks are now on. So that's good. And we have to change the breaker out because when we use the electric shower in the bathroom, it seems to short out. So that shower needs a higher end breaker. The guys are staying over here, and there's a blower bed that also came down. This is a twin blower bed that came down. Seems to be a better height than the other blower beds. Well, actually, these guys doubled them up really nicely. They put 2 blower beds on top of each other to make it higher for them. There's Gil. We're about to go get some food tonight, so we're making progress. We didn't put hot water in the guest toilet and bathroom, but that's something that we should consider as well. And finally, we have to determine, oh, you just heard the little smackling thing? That is something that was also, I purchased and had it shipped down as well. That's a bug zapper, so that should help the situation here a little bit. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. In my house, we're still making some small changes, but slowly but surely.